What's this? Let me tell you, this is just good. I really, really like this before we get started. I do. This is something else. This is one of them products that's bordering on being pro, but not at pro money. Right, if you want to know how much it is, click the link in the description. It'll take you through to our website where the pricing will be. We don't talk about pricing in videos because it changes all the time. This is a brand new product from Equinox. It's the 300 FXP, Fusion 300 FXP. It's a moving head. We've seen moving heads before. What's got me excited about this is, I think with a bit of creativity under DMX, this is mint. Also, I do like the auto programs in it. I think there's about 8 different automatic programs in it, of which some are forward facing for those who don't like doing DMX. This is one of them products that we've seen at the pro level for quite a while. And now it's filtered down to the level where, you know, the mobile DJs really need to start looking at it. And I'm suitably impressed. What it is, it's a zoom wash. So this is going to put out a beam of light that is going to wash an area with colour. And I think it's up to 40 degrees. It's LED, of course. But also what it is it narrows down to a 5-degree beam as well. So, and we haven't finished yet. So it'll do a wash and it'll do a beam. And it does it very well. We are going to show you this light on in the video. But looking at the front, we've got this honeycomb effect here. Now let me tell you, this rotates as well. Yep. And what this will also do is split the beam out into the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different beams. And then when you add the rotation in, you can really get some great in-air effects when you're using smoke. So you're going to get even thinner beams of light. And even better, you can pixel map every single one of these. So if you want this to be red, that one to be green, that one to be white, that one to be blue, you can do whatever you want. So you can create via DMX some amazing effects. Right, what we're going to do in this video is we're going to show you it on. Now I'm not going to lie, I haven't got a big enough DMX desk here for me to do one of my go through each single channel. And I haven't got my computer set up on DMX. I know, criminal, I know. Let me tell you, channels, up to 49 channels of control here. So the guys running DMX and programming, it's perfect for. And this is where it starts bordering into the realms of being a pro product. We have got all them controls of DMX. Let me run through some of the other specs. For a start, the light output. 7 40-watt quad-coloured LEDs, RGBW. Adjustable beam angle from 5 degrees to 40 degrees. We've got a motorised zoom, so this not only rotates, it goes in and out. Full pixel mapping capabilities, we know this. It'll also work, so if you don't want to use it under DMX, this will work with under Sound to Light, Master and Slave, built-in programs, and secondary modes as well. So it's all there. We have got also 5-pin and 3-pin DMX on the back, and we've got a TR1 connection on the back for the power and power linking, so we can link these with power. We've got 5-pin DMX and we've got 3-pin DMX. It comes with Omega clamps. Just waiting for me to drop it there, aren't you? Which again, very pro. We can fit these this way, or we can fit them that way. Brilliant. Right, I think what we need to do is show you this light on. Have I been suitably impressed? Yes, I have. On this video, I haven't got it under DMX control. We're just going to look at one of the forward-facing programs, which will give you a taste of everything it can do. It's going to show you the beams. I'll show you from behind the light and in front of the light as well. We're going to put a bit of smoke in the room. And I'm pretty sure there'll be a video coming from Equinox. They'll make a video where they'll get, I don't know, half a dozen or a dozen of these out and do a full-on DMX display of what this is capable of. This light, I just think, hits a price point that it really works. I think the mobile DJs will be very, very interested in this, the mobile performers, And I think it will go up to small theatres, small venues. I think at a club these will look ace. I think these will look great, absolutely. Let's have a look at it on. It's going to be a tricky one to film this in this space. As you can see there, now it's what I'm talking about, how it splits out and rotates. Then goes to a wide beam angle. We're going to take a look at this from the other side as well. I ain't going to try and move the camera around too much to try and follow it. You see how you're getting the pixel mapping coming through on the beams. So this is in one of the forward-facing shows. There's 8 different shows. So that's dead narrow, then splits out. That creates a brilliant effect. And you could, under DMX, have any of them beams in any colour you wish. So, with a bit of imagination, having a few of these lined up, all programmed up, would look great. I think they'll work Master and Slave really well as well. If you don't want to do DMX, you know, I think that's going through a canny little program. That if you were to set that into that show and put it under sound to light, I think it'll look great. Right, I'm not going to lie. Was that the best video work I've ever done for a light? Possibly not. What I should have done is program this up, spent a few hours programming it all up on DMX, got 10 out of a box, hung them all over the rig, and it would have looked absolutely stunning. I ain't got time for that, and this is why ProLight, the importers of Equinox, will probably do that for me. So I'm sure there's going to be another video from ProLight that's going to show this in full action with loads of them. Right, I like bang for buck, and this is where this product excites me. It's bang for buck. It's bordering on being pro. It's got pro features, but it's not at a pro price. I like to be able to think, if I was a mobile DJ or a mobile entertainer, I've got something that'll do a wash. This will do it. This will also do a nice beam. This will also do it. But then, oh, I need some in-air effects that'll look great in smoke. This will do it. This will also look good. Pixel mapped, and it can do loads of different colours. This will do it. This kind of ticks all the boxes, and this is why I'm excited about it. If you want some more information on this light, click the link in the description to the video. It'll take you through to our website. All right, and this is the Fusion 300 FXP, I think. Yeah, FXP. Yeah, these names I forget them. I'm not very good. Anyway. What I should have said at the beginning of the video, if you do like our videos, and we're always reviewing stuff, you should subscribe and you should ring the bell, because it really does help. And trust me, I need all the help I can get.